Hey everyone, welcome back to English Guru. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking for: how to interact with a girl on a date for the first time. Whether you're nervous, excited, or just clueless about where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered with tips, conversation ideas, and examples to make your first date smooth and memorable. Let's get started. Part 1: Be confident but not overbearing. The first impression matters. Start with confidence, but remember, confidence doesn't mean arrogance. A warm smile, good posture, and maintaining eye contact can do wonders. Example: instead of saying, hi. I'm, happy to meet you. Say, hey. It's great to meet you. How's your day been?
Hey, how's your day going?
Delicious to meet you.
Did the broker send you over?
How was your day, dear?
Keep it simple and genuine. Being yourself is key. Part 2: Start with light, friendly conversation. Breaking the ice can feel tricky, but starting with casual, light topics can ease the mood. Avoid heavy or overly personal topics at first. Examples of questions to start the conversation: so, have you been to this place before? What's the most fun thing you've done recently? I noticed you like something from her profile/social media. Tell me more about it. Part 3: Listen and respond thoughtfully. Listening is just as important as talking. When she shares something, respond with genuine interest instead of rushing to the next question. Example: if she says, I love painting, it's so relaxing. Respond, that's amazing. What kind of things do you like to paint? Have you ever tried watercolor or digital art? Notice how this keeps the conversation engaging without sounding like an interview. Part 4: Compliment genuinely. Everyone likes compliments, but they have to feel real. Compliment her personality, interests, or something unique about her. Examples: I love how passionate you are about painting. It's inspiring. Your sense of humor is great, it's refreshing to meet someone so witty. Keep compliments meaningful and specific. It shows you're paying attention. Part 5: Handle awkward moments gracefully. Let's face it, awkward moments happen. Maybe there's a silence, or you accidentally say something wrong. Don't panic. Example: if there's silence, laugh lightly and say, wow, I think we just set a record for the longest pause. So, back to you. If you say something wrong, own it. Oops, that didn't come out right. What I meant was. Humor and honesty can turn an awkward moment into a memorable one. Part 6: End the date on a positive note. When the date is wrapping up, express your gratitude and interest in meeting again if you feel a connection. Example: I had a really great time talking with you today. Let's do this again soon. If you're unsure, say, it was really nice getting to know you. I'd love to stay in touch. And there you have it, some simple and effective tips for interacting with a girl on your first date. Remember, every date is a chance to learn and grow, so don't stress too much. Just relax, be yourself, and enjoy the moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Guru. Let me know in the comments about your first date experiences or any questions you have. See you in the next video. Until then, happy dating and happy learning.